Good evening, Spartan families. I am your proud principal, Mr. Most, and I'm very excited to welcome you to the 2023-2024 Open House. Thank you so much for joining us this evening so that you can follow your child's schedule and see all of the classes and meet all of the teachers that they'll be with this year. The connection between home and school is very important for academic success. I encourage you, as you meet all of your children's teachers tonight, please make sure that you go ahead and find out the best way to contact the teacher so that you can go ahead and stay on top of your child's academic success. We're here to partner with you and help you in any way that we can. While you're on campus tonight, please make sure that you have the opportunity to stop by the hallway near the Media Center to see some of our clubs and activities that we have going on that your children can go ahead and join and be a part of. We are so excited for this school year. We know it's going to be an amazing year for everyone. We want to encourage all of our students to remember the 3 A's that are the keys to success: attendance, coming to school every day on time; academics, working hard in all of their classes in the most rigorous schedule that they can be successful in; and activities, and getting involved in those clubs and athletics to go ahead and make their year memorable. If you ever have any questions or concerns about your child's education or anything going on at school, please don't hesitate to reach out to us so that we can go ahead and be there to support you and work together as a village to raise a child and make sure that they are successful. Again, thank you for joining us for Open House, and we hope you have a great night.